Sheela Nayak, and I'm welcome you all to Prudent Media's Panch Pakwan. Today I'm going to show you how to make this donne or hit, and how the batter is exactly like that of idlis, but it is only slightly thicker so that it doesn't pour out or it doesn't become complicated by overflowing and from the donnes, etc. So this was earlier used only because of it is not only just economical, it is very good for the environment. They used to just open and throw that and eat the hit inside, and it was biodegradable, and that's why this has started. But more of it, I understand, it is the chlorophyll which attracts the batter. I'll show you how to make the donnes, and later on it's eaten with idli and a podni on that. So, आता आम्ही पळोवया what are the ingredients we use for donne or hit. It's exactly like idlis, but this has to be thicker batter because it has to stay well inside the donnes. We require 1 glass of urad dal and 2 cups of idli rava. So we soak it for 7 to 8 hours separately, and at night we mix them with very little water because the cup should hold the donnes, should hold the idli or batter. So we take 1 urad dal, 2 cups of idli rava. We need to grind urad dal separately and idli rava separately. We use little bit of water for idli rava, and this is when it's ground. We mix it and remove as much as possible the water content in that, so that the donnes can hold it very well. So early morning we can use it in these donnes and prepare hit or donnes. The ready batter looks like this, and idli rava is here. So only 2 ingredients and a little bit of salt you have to add. Mix it and keep it for fermentation. See, these donnes can be made. This is upside down. Actually, it's not in the right direction, but many people use this method to do it. But we always use the outer portion to be seen in the donnes. So let us now see how to make the donnes. We take 4 leaves, almost of the same size. They look like this. We put 1 wooden stick, small one, inside the 3 of them, and later on we put the 4th one, and then it appears like this. These 3 are the ingredients for that. For donne, we first pinch this, put it inside. So 3 are gone already. Now the 4th one comes out like this. But before doing this, they have to be washed very well and wiped also with the towel. See, this is how it looks like. This is 4 leaves. They are pinned together to make it a donne. Now we will go and do exact donne. You have to be very careful so that donne does not leak inside, and that will spoil the whole effort that we have made for making this. Then we again put this here, 1 and 1 at the top, so that it stays. So we go on like this in a round. All 4 leaves are put together to make the donnes. It's almost reaching the top, so there is no need to put one more. You will get used to it after a while when you are making it. See, this is the last one that you are putting. But if you are scared that it may come out, we put one more. This is how the donne looks. And I learned from someone that these three are removed so that only one is used for filling it, because these three come in the way of putting the batter. See, there are four of these, so you keep only one, other three you remove, so that it makes it easy for folding it this way and pouring the batter inside this. And as soon as it is done, you have already kept the steamer for boiling water, and you keep it slowly this way, and then see that all of them, each one is very close to the other, so that none falls and make it a verse of batter. Now the batter is ready, donnes are ready. I have added a little bit of salt inside to make the batter, and then we will shift it to the donnes slowly and keep them one very close to the other. Like that, all of them are filled and steamed for about 15 to 20 minutes. And then leave it in the steamer, and after some time, when you take it out, directly they are ready for eating. And it's eaten normally with the chutney. We are going to fill it now, and then you can see that they are made eatable. They are normally filled 2/3 or 3/4, not more than that, because likely to rise up. I have filled the donnes now. Now I am going to keep them inside, and for 20 to 25 minutes they have to be steamed, and then they are ready for eating. Now our donnes are steamed and they are ready for eating. Let's see how it looks. Since our donnes are ready now, steaming is done. Now we are making chutney with the green chilies and coconut and little bit of tamarind, and they are to be eaten together. We'll start making chutney to be eaten with donnes. Now that the chutney is ready, we will eat it with the donnes, but after putting seasoning of mustard, curry patta and hing. Now that the recipe is ready, Donnes are ready, chutney is ready. You can have them and enjoy them. In case you require the recipe, it's in the description box. You can please follow it and make it yourself and see how fast you can do it. Thank you.